This video I will show you how you can delete the Chrome app on MacBook. So to do this is pretty simple. What you want to do is just open up this app right here called Finder. If you don't see it here, you can also just click on the search icon in the top right there and just gonna search for Finder and then go and open it up. Then from within your Finder, you want to go to Applications. And here you'll find all of your applications. Now it's listed as Google Chrome usually, so if it's alphabetical, it will be under the G. What you can also do is just search for it right there, but just select Chrome, and then you want to right click on it, and from there click Move to Bin. Now I don't actually want to delete it, so I'll use iMovie as an example. And once you click Move to Bin, you then need to enter your password for your MacBook, and then it will be moved to bin. And now here you can go to your bin, and you will then see it right there. Now just click empty and then empty bin, and then you have fully deleted the Chrome app from your MacBook. So now you know how to delete the Chrome app from MacBook. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.